Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a delicious and useful word, beef. Beef is an A2 level noun that means meat from a cow. It's a common word that you'll encounter often, whether you're reading a menu, shopping for groceries, or talking about food. Let's explore how this word is used and why it's such an essential part of everyday English. Beef is one of the most popular types of meat in many cuisines around the world. You might hear someone say, "I'll have a beef burger, please," or "This beef stew smells amazing." It's not just a word for food. It's a part of many cultural traditions and dishes. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. A synonym for beef could be steak when referring to a specific cut of beef, as in, "I'd like my steak medium rare." Another synonym is roast, which is used for beef cooked as a large piece, like, "We're having a roast for Sunday dinner." Keep in mind that these words don't always mean the same thing, but they can often be used when discussing specific preparations of beef. On the other hand, let's consider some antonyms. An antonym of beef might be chicken or pork, which are other types of meat from different animals. For example, "Would you like chicken or beef for your main course?" highlights a clear choice between the two. Another antonym could be vegetables, for people who prefer plant-based meals, as in, "She doesn't eat beef. She loves vegetables instead." In everyday life, beef is used in a variety of expressions and phrases. You might hear someone say, "Where's the beef?" to ask about the substance or importance of something, especially in a debate or argument. Another phrase is, "They have a beef with each other," meaning they have a disagreement or a problem to solve. Here are some examples of how you can use beef in sentences. The restaurant is famous for its tender beef dishes. I bought some ground beef to make tacos tonight. He's avoiding beef for health reasons. Each example shows how versatile and common this word is in everyday conversations. To wrap things up, we've explored the meaning of beef, its synonyms like steak and roast, antonyms like chicken and vegetables, and how it fits into everyday phrases and sentences. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this discussion, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before you go, I have a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using beef and share in the comments. I can't wait to see your creative ideas. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.